Welcome to US Solid. Today we are going to show you how to wire your 2-wire reverse polarity motorized ball valve. If we connect the green wire to the negative pole and the red wire to the positive pole, once energized, the valve will open. Once reversed, green wire connected to positive pole and red wire connected to negative pole, the valve will close. We will show you an example of wiring the valve with a DPDT switch. Wires in the middle of the switch should be connected to the power supply, and the wires at the end of the switch should be connected to the red and green wires of the valve. We choose a DC power plug to connect the switch with an AC to DC power adapter. When the switch is set to open, the valve fully opens. In case of power loss, valve will remain in its current state. When the switch is set to close, the valve will fully close. Once fully open or closed, the valve will consume almost no energy. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.ussolid.com.